everyone. Today we are going to start a maths of class 2. I am Megha Halpati from Samarpan Gyan School. Yes, now today we are going to start a application in real life. This question is like a story sums. Do you know story sums? Story means words, problem, and sums means plus or addition or minus is also given there. Difference you have to find it, sum you have to do it. Now here they are given application in real life. So there are many questions. So first question is given, Hardeep's grandfather collect coins. Whose grandfather? Hardeep's grandfather collect coins. He has 314 coins. How many coins with Hardeep's grandfather? 314. His friend has 299 coins. Who has more coins? So, can you see the difference of these numbers? 314 and 219. Hardeep's grandfather collect coins. He has 314 coins and his friend has 299 coins. So who has more coins? So of course it is Hardeep's grandfather having more coins because he having 314. So your answer is, write it from the question, Hardeep's grandfather having more coins. Okay, you have to write only answer, that who has more coin. They are not asking about how much, but if you want to find, you can find it by your own. Okay, now next one, Shomu takes photographs for magazines. This month he took 213 photos. Last month he took 10 less photos. So how many photos did he take last month? Now who takes photographs? Shomu. This month he take 213 photos and last month he took 10 less than this. So what you have to do? In last question we are doing this less than 10. So if 213 photos he having in this month and last month he took 10 less, so minus 10. So what is your answer? When you minus 10, so it is very easy to write 203 photos. Understood? Yes. Now next one, third one is, Vikram needs one more sticker so that his collection of stickers reaches 300. Vikram needs one more sticker so that his collection of stickers reaches 300. How many stickers does Vikram have right now? Now here what is given in the question, that if he need one more, so he reaches 300. So right now how many he having? So 300 minus 1. So when you minus 1 from some numbers, so before 10 it is 9, again before 10 it is 9, and before 3 it is 2. So right now he having 299 stickers. Okay, stickers. Otherwise you can minus, like you can minus in your book also, write it 300 minus 1. Then 0 minus 1, it is possible? No. So we have to cut. Write this 0 on the top. Here also 0. So we can't write anything here. So we will write here 9. And this 3, we will take a 1 from this 3. So here it is 10. Now 10 minus 1 is 9. 9 as it is, and 2. So 299 is your answer. Understood? This way you have to do it. Now last one. Babu, a farmer, built a long wall using 395 bricks. His neighbor Ramu also built a wall, but he used 359 bricks instead. Whose wall was longer? Now, Babu farmer built a long wall using 395. His neighbor also built wall, but he used 359. So can you compare this number? See, one is taking 395 and one is taking 359. So here you have to compare these numbers. The first number is same. Here it is 95 and here it is 59. So who is having long wall? So Babu, a farmer, was longer. Understood? Babu, a farmer's wall was longer. Okay. Now the last question of this lesson. Increasing order and decreasing order. We are already doing these questions in last lessons. So, but here there is the greatest numbers are given. So increasing order means what? Increasing order means small to big, and decreasing means big to small. Okay, big to small. Now the first question is given: 616, 821, 783. So here it is very to compare the numbers. See, underline the first number and check which one is the smallest number, because increasing means small to big. So first small is 6. So write it here, 616. Then which one is the greatest? 783. So write it here, 783. And the greatest last number is 821. Same. Decreasing means 821. Biggest, big to small, 783 and 616. Okay, do you understood everyone? Yes. Now the next question. Now see which steps you have to use here. Compare this numbers. First number is same in this. So which one is small? 5. So 5 we will write 569. Now check these two numbers. 6 is same, but second number is not same. 8, 1 and 5. So which one is the smallest? 5. So 658, and the last is 685. Same way here, greatest to smallest. Understood everyone? Yes. Now this C and D is your homework. Okay, 280, 218, 281. First numbers are same, so check second number. Which one is smallest? This one. So you have to write first this. Then second is same, so you have to check third number. Okay, this way you have to solve this C and D. Clear? Thank you.